Welcome to my class. Today I'm going to show you how to assume effective depth of slabs, one-way slabs. So let's begin. Effective depth of one-way slab. Now this is pretty much same as beam, so the span to effective depth ratio are the same. At first I just write it down. For cantilever slab the value is 7, for simply supported slab it is 20, and for continuous it is 26. The formula is same. Effective depth of slab is equal to, it is shorter span divided by the ratio into MF. Now this is a slab. The shorter span is 3300 millimeter, and the longer span, let's assume 8000 millimeter. Now if you find the effective depth, if you want to find effective depth, then the span is always the shorter span, not the longer span for one-way slab. Okay, now here is the problem. Span is 3300 millimeter. The slab is continuous, and the percentage of tension reinforcement is 0.3, and Fy is 500. Now you have to find the value of modification factor. Now percentage of tension reinforcement is 0.3. it is 0.2, 0.6. so in this midpoint it will be 0.3. At first you have to know the value of Fs. Fs is equal to 0.58 into 500 into 1, because the steel required is still provided, is equal to 290. and the percentage is 0.3. Now if you draw a straight line to 290 and again draw from this joint and you have the value of modification factor. It is around 1.22. Okay, now let's find the effective depth. Is equal to shorter span is 3300 divided by, for continuous slab is 26 and modification factor is 1.22. Now the value will be 104.03 millimeter. Let's say 104 millimeter. The modification factor is 1.22. Now the overall depth is effective depth, that is 104 plus cover is 15 millimeter plus half of one diagonal bar, that is 8 millimeter divided by 2, that is 104 plus 15 plus 4. This is 123 millimeter or 125 millimeter or 5 inch. Okay, now if the slab is cantilever, just put the ratio 7. If the shorter span is 300 or 3000 or 2000, just put the value and you can have the effective depth of slab, one slab. Okay, so that's it. That's how you find effective depth of slab. Okay, now the all values are according to IS-456, of course IS-456. Okay, thank you for watching my video.